Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up face unlock on XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. First you need to open your setting, go to setting on our phone, then scroll down and find the password and security and click on this and find the face unlock button. As can we see password, fingerprint unlock, and then we have face unlock. Click on it, confirm your password if you have on your phone, and click on the next. Here we have to see on this square and click next. And this all. You set up face unlock on XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. This all. Goodbye.